As the trend I'll go back gamer. Here it is going on. I need to tell her. Sorry, the can't put it on the tripod. The tripod can destroy it, but usually I say no recent months I did fix my A50 and I fixed it at New Ink Refills in Marabella, and the screen they had to do a repair and the screen was cracked, broken, and they put in a screen that last on the January, and after update apparently it was a knockoff screen or bootleg screen, and the screen didn't work anymore. So that was $720 TT spent and it couldn't work. But just recently, I think it was today when I was using the USB Type C port into the phone, um, I know I saw the screen moved when my thumb finger hit it, and surprisingly, the screen is working now. I just picked it up from charging, and I don't know, like the screen just working, so it wasn't working all the time. And you understand? So these are surprising things that it working again. I don't know if it's because I had the tripod, and the tripod really as a let me all show you what tripod is. You can see here this is my makeshift tripod here, right? I just folded rice tablets, hold into place. All already, yes, I can't afford one proper tripod. So this is the tripod turn up and down. But really, what I used to put the A50 in the casing of the tripod and clamp it together. So I do it because of squeezing the sides of the device, allow the screen to maybe stick back. You understand? Started working or something like that. Because I know it wasn't going to work, and I would have to rally with this A11 all the time. So I'm glad it's working again. I'll be safeguarding this phone. Mainly just like now I could use back my A50 now, right? And I could put my 11 as a backup phone, right? But I'm glad it's working again. Understand? Everything is back to normal, which I'm glad for. So maybe if it turn off, it might go back to not working anymore. So I try not to let it turn off. But let's see how far as it's working, how far it will reach. You understand? I will start to use it again and stop using 11. Put the 11 aside and wait until like maybe to see if the functionality of the device of the Samsung A50 would continue to work throughout the week or throughout the month, or will it go back to its state that it's just non-functional. The screen adaptive touch doesn't function anymore. So this has been my review, just sudden review that my A50 is working again. So I have two phones. I'll put down the A11 and I have the A50 to use. Thank you, viewers. I'm Trinidad Global Gamer. Please subscribe. I do gaming channels. I do fun commentary. I also do some tech reviews. When I get any new tech, I'll inform you all. You just got gamed.